In this video, we'll be showing you how to add meeting minutes to your website. Please note, in order for meeting minutes to be added, there needs to be an event added that is of type AGM or meeting, and this event must be in the past. To do this, if you have not already done so, first make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Events. On the Events page, click on the Add Event button. Add a name for the event in the name field, for example, AGM 2024. Select AGM in the type box and then select an organiser. You can then select the start date and time and end date and time. Again, these must be in the past. Then click the Add Event button. Then from your main navigation, select Admin and then Files. And on the Files page, click the Add File button. Enter the name into the name field. Check the meeting minute checkbox and locate the relevant event from the list shown. If you would like the file to only be visible to users with certain roles, please select those roles from the list shown. Click on the Browse button to search for your file on your local device. Click the Add File button. The file can be found in your PTA from the main navigation and then meeting minutes by those members with the selected roles. And that's it, you have now successfully attached meeting minutes to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.